Okay, we got our dinner rolls. We got baked beans. We got stuffing, homemade, green beans. We got corn. Here's the roasted turkey, roasted ham with yams. Try that. Try your yams in your ham the same time you're baking them. I bet you won't regret it. Turkey's got salt and pepper and butter. That's all it's got. And it's got a little bit of chicken broth scattered all over it, and then chicken broth in the bottom of it. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Thanks for watching. This is our Christmas meal. It's finally done.